Hi friends, welcome back to our channel the Geospatial Explorer. In last video we have seen how to add the feature table to our WebGIS application. In today's video we will see about how to change the feature table content dynamically. Let's move to the code. This is the WebGIS application we have created, and we have created here one drop down list. In this drop down list we have fetched the layer names that are added in the web map. So these layer names comes from the web map. Okay, this is the code I have used. Here I have written the code for the drop down. This is just a HTML element. Here we have added the option. So from web map we need to add layer names to this app option. For that I have written the code here. So we need to get the layer names from the web map. So this is the web maps, and from the web maps we are getting the layers. For that layers I am running we are using map function and loop the layers, how many layers are available in the web map. We are looping and we are getting the layer names from this property layer.title, and then we are creating the then I created a option element for this layer for this drop down, and I have updated the content. I have updated the text content to the drop down. So this is the code for this drop down. Okay, so now our goal is whenever we change the layer names here, that related table needs to be updated on this feature table. Okay, this is our main goal in today's video. So first whenever we change the layer name here, that needs to be that related layer needs to be updated here. Okay, so for that we need to first we need to write the function to get the layer names from this element. Okay, so I'm just writing the function. Get a layer name. Okay, so first we need to write the we need to check add event listener property. From that event we need to display the first we are going to check that element whenever any changes appeared, that event we are going to use in this function. Okay, so for that I am just selecting the element. This is the element we are going to check layer name. event listener. Here we are going to use the event change event. Whenever change happened in that element, we are going to call this function. Okay, so here's something error is showing. So let's check. So I already locked console log here layer dot title, that's why this just came. So now we will check. I'm just passing. Okay, here I did a mistake, that's why it is getting error. Not used quotation mark. We check. Now see that event is happened, so we can check here. Event dot target. So whenever we change here that event is happening, so we will get the value from event dot target dot value. So now we will log this. So let's wait for web map loading. Okay, once the web map is loaded, we'll get the layer name. So here park and open space, trails for bikes, trails, then trailheads. Okay, so we are getting the all the layers name. So now we are going to update this layers to our feature table. Okay, so for that whenever we passing the layer to this function, it should return the feature layer. Okay, so for that we will use one function from our API. Just go to the API reference. Here go to web map. Okay, see here one property is there. one method is there, find. Okay, find function. So using this function we can get the layer in return. Okay, so whenever we pass the title, it will return the feature layer. Okay, so we can use layers. If we use all layers, it will check a base map also. I'm not going to use base map. So then here in this found layer, so I just going to move this whole feature table content to here, then only it will dynamically update. So here found layer is there. Here we need to change we are getting the value from the drop down, so that value I am going to store in one variable like layer name equal to event dot target dot value. So I just store the value to the variable. This variable I'm going to use it here. Okay, then so whenever we get the layer name, we will get the feature layer here. That feature layer I'm going to pass to this layer property. It's simple. Okay, let's check our code whether it is working or not. Okay, first just go here. I'm just closing the console. I think it is adding, but data is not loading. I don't know what's the problem. Due to network problem, the table is not showing. So here we can resolve this problem. So every time two tables are adding here. Okay, so whenever we add new table is added here. So for that we will just add some conditions. Just call this script. So that whenever we add a table, it will so we'll check whether this layer is coming or not. We are getting a layer or not, that we'll check here, so that it will be very helpful for us to understand our code. I'm changing the here. Okay, that layer is not coming. I don't know what is the problem. Here I did a mistake on the web map variable. Actually, for the web map, I assigned the variable name web map, but in our code I used only map.
That's why we are not getting the layer names. Once we changed, we will get the layer names correctly. Sorry, we will get the layer name correctly, as well as the feature layers in the web app. It will be done. Now we have selected parks and open space, so it is returning on the console. So here we check the title for the layer parks and space, and here in feature table the content layer is changed, parks and open space. Now you can check for second layer, trails for bikes, so that table content also updated on the feature table.
That's all about today video. We have dynamically loaded the content or changed the layers in the feature table. Please subscribe to the Geospatial Explorer for more videos and updates on Esri products and ArcGIS JavaScript API. Thank you.